Every time you jump, you experience gravity. It pulls you back down to the ground. Without it, we would be flung off into space along with everything else on Earth.
So what do we know about gravity? We know that it keeps planets orbiting the sun. We also know that gravity is different on different objects, such as the Earth and the Moon, because of mass. The Moon has less mass than Earth. Therefore, the Earth has more gravitational force than the Moon.
For the science behind it, we know that Isaac Newton defined gravity as a type of force, one that attracts one object to another. We also know that Isaac created the Newton. The Newton is defined as a force required to accelerate 1 kilogram a meter per second squared in empty space. Fun fact, did you know 1 Newton down can also be said as 1 Newton up? Thank you for watching.
We're back with more exciting news about gravity.
Gravity has been around since the universe was created, and it works anywhere in the universe. After the start of the universe, stars and planets were made by gravity pulling together atoms. After the stars and planets formed gravity, it made the planets circle around the stars and moons circling around the planets. Gravity even made an atmosphere around the planets that were large enough.
Nobody really knows why gravity exists or how gravity fully works. One way to look at gravity is not like magnetism, but the way mass bends space. We can bend space. Any object that has mass pushes and bends space so that other objects that were moving in a straight line also bend to orbit the object.
Another way to think about gravity is to think that the objects are exchanging tiny particles called gravitons. It is like they were throwing tiny balls back and forth. But when the objects move farther apart, the balls get dropped and lost. I hope you liked our video, and here are some extra facts.
1. Gravity causes waves and winds. 2. People judge how objects fall better sitting up than lying on their sides. 3. Astronauts can lose 1% of bone mass every month in space. 4. An 150-pound man will weigh about 10 pounds on Pluto. 5. When an object's mass is distributed unevenly, the gravity turns uneven. And 6. The less gravity an object has, the stronger the bacteria gets. Me bacteria strong. Thanks for watching.